Hello everyone! So here's a great fundamental core exercise we should all master or check in routinely with. Having done some basic breathing and core activation, this is what I would consider test number 1 for core exercises. The goal here being putting ourselves in a position where our core is engaged. Use a yoga block, roller, or towel to keep the knees together and raise the legs, but minimize your lower back involvement. We do this by pinning our rib cage and lower back down towards the floor, particularly as you exhale, which will facilitate the core engagement. Stretch out the arms and fill your chest with air. However, never lose sight of that pressure you have in the abs, pulling the ribs down, flattening the lower back to the floor. Can you maintain the lower back being pinned to the floor and breathe deeply? Every exhale should help re-engage the core tension. Just make sure you don't slip as you inhale. As much as we put planks on a pedestal, this is where core starts. Planks are certainly challenging and a little too much so. Think of this exercise being about control more than about muscle burn. Trust me, we will feel the burn by the last breath. I start shaking around 4 or 5. Because the core is related so much to breath, I like to do all basic core exercises to 5 breaths. That should help you get into a nice flow.
5 breaths.